Hi guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your IRL application from your mobile device. We all know that IRL stands for in real life, which is the app that makes it easy and fun to send and receive invites to hang out with friends in real life. If you already have created an account on this application, then it also features a series of suggestions for invites that user can send, which change regularly based on users' interest or location, seasons, and upcoming holidays. It aims to solve technology addiction by bringing people together in real life. IRL was designed to boost its users' self-confidence and take away the anxiety and social pressures of inviting friends to hang out in real life. So we can say that this app's goal is to simply help other users spend more time with their friends in real world in order to boost their overall happiness. So now you can enjoy using this app by simply logging into your account. In order to do that, all you have to do is go to your IRL application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. If you haven't created an account on IRL, then you can go and tap on to the Get Started. But if you already have an account, then you can go to the Login option here and tap on it. You can log in with either your phone number or your existing email address. So if you have created an account using a phone number, then log in with your phone number, and if you have created an account with the email address, then go and tap onto the email. Type in your email address in the text field, then tap on Next. Now the app sends a verification code to your phone number or your email address. Go to your email address or phone SMS and check for the 5-digit verification code. Then enter your verification code in the text field here. Once you have entered your verification code, you will have successfully logged into your IRL account. And if you ever want to log out of this IRL account, then you can just go and tap onto your profile icon that is on the top left corner. From here, tap onto the settings option. And if you see at the bottom, you can see the other section where you can find the logout option. So if you want to log out of your account, you can go to this option and tap on it. So this is the easiest way to log into your IRL account from your mobile device. This will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel, and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.